Welcome to Richard Chinese language. Today, I'm going to make a very short video to talk about the comparative form in Chinese. So let's get started right now. The comparative form in Chinese is A, B, B. Then you plus an adjective. And we know that in English, you need to use adjective ER or more plus an adjective to indicate the comparative form. But in Chinese, it is much easier. You just use one word, that is 比, and you don't need to change the form of the adjective. So let me give you one example sentence. 金先生比我帅。金先生比我帅。And here we just use 比 to indicate the comparative form in Chinese. Then you can directly use the adjective 帅 after 比. So as you can see here, the comparative form in Chinese is much easier than that in English. So let me give you more example sentences right now. 海伦比玛丽漂亮。海伦比玛丽漂亮。Helen is prettier than Mary. And here, once again, 比 is the main word for the comparative form. And then we use the adjective after 比, okay? 这本书比那本书贵。这本书比那本书贵。Okay, so you can see here, 比 is the comparative form. 比 is the key word for the comparative form in Chinese. So right now, I'll give you some quizzes and let's rearrange these sentences. And I hope you do that by yourself and leave your answers in the comment, okay? So I'll read the sentence for you, but you have to do these quizzes by yourself, okay? So let's do it right now. 比月球大。地球 Okay, I'll read it again. 比月球大。地球 Okay, quiz number 2. 兔子慢。乌龟跑得比 Okay, I'll read the sentence once. 兔子慢。乌龟跑得比。Okay, my friends, I hope you can do the 2 quizzes by yourself, and you can see the answers in the description box below. And I hope you understand this simple sentence pattern, the comparative form in Chinese. Okay, so see you next time. 下次见，拜拜。